The other day, someone pointed out that I spend far too much time on my phone. And this confused me because I don't have a phone. I have a handheld electronic device that can make phone calls, but I don't have a phone. And if you think I'm nitpicking, let me show you what this phone does. It's a TV, it's a computer, it's a portable memory, it's a calculator, it's a library full of a bunch of books, way more than I could possibly display here. It's a microphone, yes, I can dictate to it. It's a video camera. It is a still camera. It's a calendar. It's a flashlight. It's a note taker. It's a webcam. I don't know if you can see that, but it is a cam. It's a radio. It's a speaker. It is a stereo. It can transmit to bigger speakers. It can tell you the weather. It can store all your books, as mentioned. It can monitor your sleep. There's also a diary. You can look at all your utilities and see what you're using. It's also a compass, a clock, a timer, a translator, a magnifier. It can set reminders for you. It's a photo album or albums. As mentioned, or maybe not, it's a map or maps. It can control your remote utilities such as security cameras, thermostats, lights, etc. You can go shopping with it. You can access all kinds of different music to play on whatever device you want it to play on. You can send and receive emails. You can send and receive texts. You can choose any kind of entertainment you want to transmit to whatever you want to transmit to, or just watch it on the device itself. It can keep files. It can keep contacts. It can even do your banking. You can pay bills. You can look at your balance. You can order food through it. You know, Tim Hortons. Hey, what the heck? Thanks anyway. You can find stuff with it with the Find My app. You can use it as a pedometer, as a weight loss app, or a health app that monitors your steps and your whatever else you want to put into it. Excuse me. You can also check your lottery tickets. You can measure with it or level with it using the level feature. You can access ChatGPT, the latest AI, and hope it doesn't kill you. You can access all kinds of social media. So folks, the point I'm making is that these devices are not phones. They're handheld electronic devices. Yes, one of their names is iPhone. That's simply because it was named such a long time ago and they didn't think of what else to name it. But there is Android, there's BlackBerry, there's things that don't have phone in the name to mislead you. But if you're on your, quote, phone, but you're playing a game or doing constructive stuff, you know, it's okay. These are way more than phones. And by the way, this whole video was recorded on my phone, if you want to call it that. Well, except for this part.